Hi, I'm Dr. Vinitra Vasan and I'm an oral physician and radiologist. Crowns are basically metal or metal ceramic or complete ceramic restorations that cover and encase the entire tooth, whereas veneers are structures that only cover the front portion of the tooth. That is, the portion which is in contact with the tongue is left untouched. Only the front portion of the tooth which is visible is covered with what is called as a veneer. So there are different advantages and disadvantages of both. Veneers are more aesthetically acceptable and it mainly involves very minimal crown preparation. That means sensitivity and other effects of preparing a tooth is very minimal with veneers, and it gives a very good result. Whereas a crown requires a 360-degree crown preparation in which the entire crown is grinded to give in a crown.